bồi lại là lên nguyên hết.
One product, his name is Phytocelllife. Yes. By the support of Phytocelllife, by your hard work, we reach here. Now, today we are in the near the factory of Phytocelllife, where the Phytocelllife is prepared. So many people in India say you all this is a fake product made in India, and something blah 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 blah. But finally, today we have reached to the Phytocelllife factory. And here you will know each and everything what is Phytocelllife, what is the power of Phytocelllife. I am sure your confidence will be 100%, it will be increased. So today we will sit near about one.
Cái tấm mày hồi quần rồi.
I'm very sorry, I cannot hear that. Please, one more time. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, by the way, my name is Mr. Rizal. Okay, I'm from Oribio Nature, okay, of Malaysia. Here actually is a Puchong area. Okay, and I've been informed that to me that you all come from India, right? Yes. Okay, all of you from India? Yes. Okay, because India, I believe, is a big, big country. Okay, can I see who from Madras? Raise up your hand. No. Is okay, is it a plant? Is it a company? Is it a manufacturer? Whatever. Because here, there's a lot of things, a lot of excitement is waiting for you.
Modern era, where we are occupied with work, finding the balance to a healthy lifestyle is one of the most fulfilling aspects in day-to-day life.
GO, okay, and also with other people also after this. But, okay, the only thing is if you are...
So, how are you guys? Good? Good? Okay, so who is the first time they're coming to Malaysia? Apple and grabs themselves. So the main important is the whole idea of this product is actually very good, for oxidative stress, okay, environmental factors, okay, lifestyle factors, inflammations, DNA damage. Okay, a lot of people doesn't know that they actually get DNA damage. Introduced to the hospital people. Okay, if I go to yoga class also, I see the new member to the virus. Okay, more easy. Okay, but they are flying to Malaysia to see me and wait me in the lobby for 3 hours just to thank me. Per kg. It's not 2,000 rupiah. No way. No way. No way. Again? Remy. Yeah, Remy.
Please tell me the difference between Phytocelllife and STC.
To commend other people's product because STC 30 is not done by me. I'm not.
Last year November.
Last year November, so you've been here about more than 10 months.